You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these word and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel. Two different ways of pronouncing it, because it has different meanings. Actually, it's used in Greek mythology, in biology, animal anatomy, botany, and brands as well. So calyx or calyx, calyx or calyx. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.